What is that? Is that an Fj60 in her element? Oh my gosh, we gotta go check this thing out. Woo! Whoa! Osh, we have too many Fj60s.
You have too many Fj60s.
Alright, it's day 3 with the truck. Let's pick some parts. Just going through it. The truck has lots of goodies to offer. Cigarettes, mouth guard, bullets, parts, EDs. Pretty much, you know, this guy was living out of this truck. It was his pride and joy. So I mean, it's got a little bit of everything. You know, just gonna continue to go through. If you need Advil, I got some. Don't worry, we got a lot of stuff to go through today, so I'll try to document as much as I can as we go through it. This truck's a mess. Let's get to it. Making some progress here. Still kind of going through everything, receipts, all the trash. I'm still getting some of my money back. Look. I got a couple dollars back in the sale. Rebate. Woo! All right, let's keep going. And out come the seats. Look at all this junk. This guy definitely did things old school though. He's got tons of old road maps in here, Super 8 film journal, road atlas. No iPhones, I'm sure, were used when he's driving this thing around. Definitely a handyman, tons of nails, tons of painting equipment. He did take care of his truck. He had a couple V-belts, some motor oil, just the essentials, and you know, still kind of going through the trunk, but you know, it looks like he took pretty good care of this truck. It was a worksman's truck, so you can't really hate on that. It's got the original carpet in the back. Look how special that is. It's like brand new under there. Oh man. Oh look, some zip ties. Can't ever have enough of those. This is the scene out here in this field on my friend Mike's farm, his grandparents' farm. Slowly cleaning everything out, finding a lot of goodies. So if you're in the market for some Land Cruiser parts, please leave a comment. We'll get something to you. We can make a deal. Just message me. We'll figure it out. But yeah, a lot of great stuff coming out of this thing. So can't complain. Keep on keeping on. Let's see what the underbody of this carpet looks like. Whoa. Pretty perfect. This truck's pretty perfect. If it wasn't for holes like that or the destroyed frame that's completely rusted out. Got the whole dash apart here. Just dropped the cluster and I'm about to take out the unicorned dash with 0 cracks. Took the ARB off the parts truck and put it on Nora. Still got to wire all the fog lights and stuff, but it's on there and looks great, I think. Well, that concludes the first start of the part out of the red 1985 Fj60. I'm exhausted. It's day 3 with this rig, and I'm gonna take the parts home, clean them up a little bit, and relax for the rest of the evening. So if you'd like to see more of these videos or more of the barn find stuff, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next one.